Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making oil roti and bhaji. I have three different types of bhaji here: chorai, poi, and marsa. I have flour in here, baking powder, and oil. I'm gonna add water. And I'm gonna keep kneading my dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm finished kneading the dough. Rub some oil and I will cover this and leave it for 1 hour. The red peppers and the garlic. I'm gonna add the onion. And the Guyana black shrimp. I have black pepper, salt, and fish seasoning. Add the bhaji. I'll give that a stir. I'm all done. Add the green onion. I'll cover this and let it cook down. The bhaji is almost finished cooking. As soon as the water dries out, it will be finished. It's been an hour now for the dough. We're gonna put oil in the roti. Just gonna roll out the dough before I start to put the oil in them. Just want to press out the edges. Rub the oil. Tear and roll. This one end, tuck in the bottom, that one is done. And if you notice, my roti is small and I'm making them very thin. When you cook bhaji, it's best to make the roti that way. Continue doing this until I'm all done. This is the last roti. I'm gonna cover and leave for 1 hour, and then we will make the roti. The bhaji is finished cooking now. It's been an hour now for the roti. Now we're going to make the roti. Press the edge. This one is done. And this is done. Roti. And the reason I leave it to sit for a minute is because you don't want roti to break up, and it comes out nice and soft and fluffy. And I'm pressing the edges because I want the edges to cook, not to be raw. This one is done. This is the last roti. That's it, we're finished making the roti. Here is my bhaji with Guyana black shrimps and oil roti. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.